In this video, I'll show you how to turn on, how to turn off, and how to restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. So let's start on how to turn the tablet off. What you need to do is to find the power button located on the right side. This is the power button, the small one. Keep it pressed during a second and then release it once you have these options appearing on the screen. Then all you have to do is press on power off. And again, on power off, you're going to see the Samsung logo, and in about 2 seconds, the tablet will be completely shut down. Now, how do you turn this A9 Plus on? Very easy. Again, you're going to find the power button on the side. You're going to keep it pressed until you see the Samsung logo appearing on the screen, and then you're going to release that button and you're going to wait. Usually this tablet in about 15-20 seconds is able to boot up and be ready to use. Now, how do you restart the tablet? Okay, so a restart is simply the tablet shutting down and powering back on again by itself. So again, you just need to press this power button here 1 second until you get the restart button here, the green one. You just have to tap on it and the tablet will restart. Now, if this is not available, let's say your tablet is frozen, well, in this case, you're going to keep press the power button and the volume down button. This is volume down, this is volume up. Okay, so power and volume down. Keep both of these buttons pressed until you see the Samsung logo appearing on the screen. So I'll press both at the same time, like that, until I see the Samsung logo. I'm not releasing these buttons even if the screen shows me something else. Okay, we are almost there. We just have to wait another 3 seconds. 2, 1, here we go. Now I can release and just let the tablet sit. It will power back on by itself. So this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if it worked, and I'll see you in the next video.